Japanese beetles are destructive pests that can cause significant damage to gardens and flowering plants. Using a product that attracts and kills these bugs can help to keep your garden and plants safe. Check out how to use our Lure and Kill Japanese beetle concentrate that turns any bucket into a trap. 1. Prepare the trap. Use a clean 1 to 2 gallon bucket and fill it half full with water. Add 2 ounces of the plant oil-based concentrate to the bucket and stir to mix. 2. Place the trap. Place the bucket around the edges of your property. It's best to place traps at least 30 feet away from your garden or flowering plants, downwind if possible. Multiple traps can be used and should be placed 30 feet apart. 3. Monitor the trap. Japanese beetles will be attracted to the plant oils in the trap and will drown in the water. When the surface of the water is covered with beetles, scoop them out and dispose of them. 4. Replenish the trap. Replenish the water and concentrate every 1 to 2 weeks as needed. You'll also want to replenish them after heavy rainfall. For more helpful tips and pest information, be sure to follow us and visit our website at maggiesfarmproducts.com.